How much water should be added to a slow cooker?
Slow cookers are a convenient and easy way to prepare delicious meals. They work by slowly cooking your food at a low temperature for several hours, which can help to enhance the flavors and make your meal more tender. However, one common question that many people have when it comes to using a slow cooker is how much water to add. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks for adding the right amount of water to your slow cooker.
Why is it important to add water to a slow cooker?
Water is an essential ingredient in slow cooking. Without enough water, your food may dry out and become tough or chewy. The water also helps to transfer heat evenly throughout the slow cooker, ensuring that your meal is cooked to perfection. Additionally, adding water can help to create a flavorful sauce or broth that can be used to enhance the taste of your meal.
How much water should you add?
The amount of water you should add to your slow cooker depends on several factors, including the type of food you're cooking, the size of your slow cooker, and the cooking time. A good rule of thumb is to add enough water to cover the ingredients in your slow cooker by about an inch. This ensures that your food will be fully cooked and won't dry out during the cooking process.
Tips for adding water to your slow cooker.
When adding water to your slow cooker, there are a few things to keep in mind. Don't add too much water. While it's important to add enough water to cover your ingredients, adding too much water can dilute the flavors of your meal and make it taste bland. Use hot water. Adding hot water to your slow cooker can help to speed up the cooking process and ensure that your food is cooked evenly. Consider adding other liquids. In addition to water, you can also add broth, stock, or wine to your slow cooker to enhance the flavors of your meal. In summary, adding water to your slow cooker is an important step in the cooking process. To ensure that your meal turns out delicious and flavorful, be sure to add enough water to cover your ingredients by about an inch. You can also consider adding other liquids, such as broth or wine, to enhance the taste of your meal. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be able to make delicious slow-cooked meals that your whole family will love.